This is Stencyl, and I really want to make my characters move around by keys other than left, up, down, right? So I already found in user input this. Control is down, and if I click on the control, you can choose. But notice there's no letter keys. And I want a second player that uses W, A, S, and D to move their character around. Those aren't listed. What you can do, I found out, is that you need to go all the way up here to settings. I'm going to click. And now that I am in settings, I can go to controls. And within controls, we now have the ability, I'm going to click add new, name. Well, I don't want A yet, I want W. I then click on this, and I'm going to delete A. Whoops, I'm just going to click on it and type W. And there we go. Now I have a W key. Now I guess I'll leave it as A because I will need that. I'm going to scroll down here and I'm going to click. I'm going to name this one S. And then click on this and click S. And then finally D and D. And that is looking good to me. So I'm going to hit OK. And now if I want a character to move right with the D key, I'm going to click choose control, and here's mine I just made, D. Okay, let's go ahead and test that out. And my game, I am on my pig character. I am going to hit the letter D. And there we go. Success. So now you can use any key on the keyboard to interact with your characters in your game. Perfect.